Hey guys, welcome back. On this episode of Quick Fix, I'll be taking you through my evening ritual and showing you how I unwind. You know, my days are very, very busy and they consist of a lot of competing priorities. So it is super, super important for me to prioritize taking care of myself at the end of it. Let's get started. So I've already taken off my eye makeup with a very moisturizing cleanser. I was told about this makeup cleanser from my makeup artist. I was working on a show called The Game back in, I want to say maybe 2008. Jeez, you guys, that was a long, long time ago. She had told me that this cleanser was something that a lot of boxers would put on their eyes because it would create a nice slip after a punch. It is the best thing that I use for removing eye makeup. It's called Abilene, and it is not expensive at all. You can get it at any drugstore. A big, big jar, you guys, for about $15. And I've had this jar for years. It lasts for a very, very long time. Oh, hi, Tia. All right, so there is still some makeup that needs to come off. And next, what I'll do is I'll use a very gentle cleanser. What I like to use is something that's just very, very light and not too heavy, but also very sudsy. Is that a word? Is sudsy a word? This cleanser is very light. It gets rid of impurities. I've tried cleansers that didn't give me some sort of suds, and I just didn't like it. I mean, there are some oil-based cleansers out there, but I always feel that the sudsy cleansers always makes my skin feel fresh and oh so clean. So one of my favorite facialists, her name is Shani Darden, and she's been my go-to for years. And so this is from her skincare line, and it is her cleansing serum. So the next step is toner. I love this toner because it's moisturizing at the same time. I've tried to go without toning as a step, and I do not feel that my skin is as clear when I don't use a toner. If you have some makeup left over on your skin after cleaning it with a cleanser, the toner will definitely get rid of it. It also just leaves my skin feeling like really tingly. Like it's like speaking to me saying, "Thank you, Tia." Next up is my eye retinol cream. I am not ashamed to say that I am now in my 40s, and it is all about just trying to look and feel your best. So I've just recently started introducing an eye cream to my nighttime skin routine. When I was in my 20s, I didn't do that. But as I've gotten older, I'm like, okay, Tia, let's start now. And I just kind of put it around my eyes, because basically what we're doing is we're not trying to get rid of crow's feet, because listen, let's just be real. At the end of the day, aging really is beautiful, and showing signs of it is also beautiful. And I want to change that narrative that, you know, having gray hair or getting wrinkles is like something that's not considered as beautiful. Forget all of that. So retinol is a natural exfoliant, and also it helps even out your skin tone like a toner. But the reason why I like to have it a part of my skincare routine, it takes care of those fine lines. We don't want to completely get rid of them, because fine lines to me, just like gray hair, tells a story. That means you smiled. That means there was laughter. That means there was and is experience, you know? Next up is a spot treatment. I always like to use this because it just kind of gets rid of those spots that you have on your face. Maybe if you had like a little pimple or something like that, and you're left with a little tiny scar, this spot treatment will really help get rid of those. So I love this brand. I don't know if it's is clinical or IS clinical. This is a Pro Heal Serum Advance. I tend to sweat a lot when I'm working out, and the sweat will tend to kind of like drop down here. So I'll find that I'll get some sort of spots like along my chin or my jawline here. Like actually I have one right here. See, I'm not afraid to show y'all. And I just kind of rub it all over my face, just like this. Now I'm gonna do an anti-aging face oil serum. And this is also new to my routine. I'm like, once I turned 40, I was like, bring it on! Bring on the eye cream, bring on the anti-aging creams. The brand is called Costa Brazil. And it's a really, really tiny bottle, and look at how cute this bottle is. And I just feel like a little goes a long way. What I love about this product is everything is like natural. There are natural ingredients in here. And it just smells so good. I'll put it on my lips too. And I can even put it in my hair. Oh, it smells so good. So next up is the moisturizer. This is Skin Caviar. Why am I talking like that? Skin Caviar Sleep Mask from La Prairie and from Switzerland. This is another brand that I really like. So this is a mask that you put on at night, but you keep it on your skin. And I just kind of put it on my hand, just like that. And then I just put it on my face, just like this. Oh my gosh, there's just something about this product. Next up is serum number 3. I started using this product, and this product I feel like made my skin smooth like a baby's bottom right away. Like I feel like very quickly. Sometimes when you use products, it takes a while to see results. And I feel like with this product, I don't know what is in this thing, but it's a Skin Caviar liquid lift. And I just put a little bit on it. The brand is La Prairie, and it's from Switzerland. There's magic in a bottle with this. So within my skincare routine, there are high and low price points. This is at a high price point, and I noticed a difference in my skin right away. So I feel that it is totally worth it. Some things are worth the splurge, other things you can get at a cheaper price, whatever works for you. At the end of the day, there are many products out there that I feel at really whatever price point works. This next product is my Retinol. I probably just put too much, but my facialist, Shani Darton, I was like, your skin is glowing. It looks so fabulous. And she said, that's because I bathe. And those were her words. She said, I bathe in retinol. And this is a part of my nighttime routine. I've been using it for almost a year now, and I love it. So I really like to just lather it up on my neck. It helps get rid of those fine lines. This brand is Shani Darton, and it's a part of her line. And this is the Retinol. Again, I just love the way the bottle is. It's very sleek, clean looking. I love that it has a pump as well. That wasn't smooth. Next, we have this Midnight face oil. I have been using this for years, and I am obsessed, and I absolutely love it. It just really makes my skin feel really nice and smooth. And the smell of this, you guys, is fantastic. It has essential oils and distilled botanicals, and it restores the appearance of skin. And I am telling you, when you put this on at night and when you wake up in the morning, your skin is looking fabulous. And then we can't forget about our lips, you guys. So then, I just butchered this. We just gave so much love to our skin. We can't forget about our lips. So I always like to just do this lip moisturizer and just put it on so that I don't have dry lips in the morning. And this just softens up your lips. Now I want to show you guys my hair care routine before I get to bed. So what I've already done is I've already washed and conditioned my hair. And I actually used my products from my line. And this is the clarifying shampoo. Now, the hairstyle that I had, it had a lot of product buildup. So what I love about using this shampoo is it basically takes away a lot of the product and the impurities in your hair without stripping moisture. With my skincare routine, it was all about moisturizing products. It's the same thing when it comes to my hair. Then I used the lightweight conditioner, again by my line, For You by Tia. And this just really deeply moisturizes your hair. When I say the slip on this is just fantastic, I don't have to use a detangler to comb out my hair or my curls. So I tend to wash my hair about 2 to 3 times out of the week. It just depends on what style I'm doing. I'm always changing up my hair because of work. So if I'm putting my hair through a lot, meaning putting it through a lot of different styles, I will wash my hair maybe 3 times out of the week. If not, I'll move to 2 and sometimes just 1. So when I do like an intense wash day, usually on Sundays, I will add another step to that, and that is like a heat treatment. And I will use my multi-use hair oil. I'll put this really kind of cool heating cap on that you attach to a blow dryer, and I'll just let it sit in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. But for tonight, these are the 2 products that I will be using. The first product that I will put in my hair is my For You by Tia leave-in curl cream. This has flaxseed in it. Again, I love that the ingredients are recognizable, they're safe, they're clean, they're also environmental friendly, right? And then I just kind of rub the product in my hand and I just kind of like put it in my hair, just like this. So do you see how I just put just a little bit of product in there, and then it just seems like the hair is just really nice and smooth. And it also just really helps enhance the curls. So all of you curly girls out there, we got something for you. Oh my God, that was like great. For You by Tia. Next is my For You multi-use hair oil. I use this oil all the time. I'll just leave it in my hair overnight, which is what I will be doing tonight. I will finish it off in the morning when I'm doing my hair routine. After, I'll put the leave-in curl cream with a defining gel, and then I will put this on at the end of my routine, and it just, again, adds so much shine to your hair and gets rid of that frizz. So watch, you'll see the way my hair is now, but when I put this in my hair, it just adds this really nice shine to it, and it's very light. It's a light oil. It doesn't weigh your curls down. And it's just really good for your hair. So after my oil, I like to give myself a little head massage. So I love this massager mainly because it feels like someone is massaging your scalp with their hands and their fingers. I also love that it has this really cool red light, which helps with blood circulation in the scalp. And I will do this even if I'm watching like one of my favorite TV shows, right? It's amazing. Even my daughter, when I'm doing this, she will take it and start massaging her hair, and then she'll even kind of like put it on her neck and her arms. It's quite adorable. I've massaged my scalp. Now it's time to put my headband on and take a nice, warm, soothing bath. I love for my bath water to feel like a jacuzzi, right? It really helps with just relaxing your muscles and just helping put you to sleep. I will use a lavender scented bath salt. It also helps calm your muscles. Then I will go ahead and put some like milk in my bath. This just really makes my skin nice and soft. There's just something about sitting in a tub full of bubbles. I feel like it just brings out the kid in me. Before my bath, I always love to put affirmations on my mirror. I learned more about affirmations at the beginning of this year and just what it does for your mood, for your psyche. The reason why I love writing affirmations on my mirror is I really want to make sure that, you know, if I'm flustered in some kind of way with a challenge, I'm like, oh, I remember that affirmation that I had put on my mirror. I'll also meditate to that affirmation. So I've been meditating every morning for like 30 minutes, and whatever affirmation that resonated with me with that day, I will also just think about that affirmation as I am meditating. And it has changed my life. It just really keeps me centered and focused on positivity. Because y'all, life be lifing. And life is hard. So just having these affirmations written on my mirror just is a great pick-me-up. Well, it looks like my bath water is finally ready, but before I get in, you guys have to go. Thank you so much for watching my nighttime routine. Bye guys. Mwah.